If you feel like extreme behaviours or ideas are becoming more common across society, you're right. I'm Annie Hood. Hello and welcome to Well Intel Daily. Now is a perfect time for you to book in a one-to-one conversation and tailored consultancy with my compliments during August. You can find me at wellintellect.com or DM me in the socials. I witnessed a conversation over the weekend just gone that was a criticism of climate activists. In short, that they annoy people. What can get missed is the bigger picture of what Just Stop Oil and Extinction Rebellion as examples feel they have been driven to. They feel as a collective that no one is listening nor taking the urgent action necessary to mitigate further damage to the planet. They're in despair and feel they have no other option. This is not a violent group of protesters. There is certainly disturbance, and I'm not condoning the disruption, but I do understand where it's coming from. And in business, as a C-suite leader or board director, you're likely no stranger to behaviours and challenge that are significantly more complex than they were 8 years ago. And I'm talking about a global conflation of issues such as the COVID pandemic, Brexit, Trump, climate change, the speed of technology progress, geopolitical unrest, war. All of these things have increased polarities and challenge in business at the same time as pushing extremist ideas into popular consciousness. What do I mean? I'm talking about far-right conspiracy theorists, neo-Nazi groups, incels, environmental extremists, and there are many, many others. And this matters for you and I as business leaders for the simple reason that these ideas and beliefs are becoming much more common, and for sure they're showing up in the behaviour of employees. So from reputation management to security risk, employee safety, well-being, the dimensions are many, but awareness and intention will help you mitigate. And this may sound unconnected or minor, but it isn't. People want to feel that they belong. They want to feel that they matter within themselves and within the social fabric of their community, their country, the world. If you'd like to hear more on this particular issue, Going Mainstream by Julia Ebner was published just a few weeks ago, giving insight and, I quote, from the darkest front of the culture wars. Tomorrow, another sign that tailored and personalised coaching for employees is favoured by government. This is the podcast that showcases why wellbeing culture matters for you and your business. Be well.